Welcome to this tutorial on how to see the Exponential Moving Average, or EMA, on TradingView. In this video, we will walk you through the steps needed to add the EMA indicator to your charts and explain its significance in technical analysis. So, let's get started. First, open TradingView and set up your chart. To do this, enter your desired asset symbol in the search bar at the top of the screen and select it. You should now see the asset's price chart. Next, locate the Indicators button at the top of the chart. It looks like a small icon with a waveform pattern. Click on that button, and a search bar will appear. Type Exponential Moving Average into the search bar. You should see the EMA indicator listed. Click on it to add it to your chart. By default, it will be set to the standard length of 20 periods. If you want to customize this length, click on the EMA line on your chart and then select the Settings option. Here, you can adjust the length to suit your trading strategy. Finally, remember to analyze the EMA in conjunction with price action and other indicators to enhance your trading decisions. The EMA can help identify trends and potential reversal points, making it an invaluable tool. Now you are ready to start using the EMA on TradingView to make more informed trading choices. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!